the Class 170 diesel multiple unit, a modern marvel of British rail travel designed to offer versatility and efficiency. Built by Bombardier Transportation in the late 1990s, these rail units combine lightweight construction with a sleek, aerodynamic design that not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also provides a smoother ride. At the heart of the Class 170 is its powerful Cummins diesel engine. With a robust output of around 400 to 500 horsepower, these engines allow the trains to reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. Whether on electrified or non-electrified lines, the Class 170 showcases operational flexibility, serving routes across Scotland, the Midlands, and beyond, making it a reliable choice for both short and long-distance travel.